OpenText Documentum offers a broad set of capabilities to manage and extract value from content of all kinds across the enterprise. Its industry-leading enterprise content services platform allows organizations to establish control of their critical information with a sole source of the truth, simplifying access to the most recent approved business content supporting business-critical applications. As the complexity, adoption, and importance of your Documentum stack increases, and events like content asset downtime and unauthorized activity threaten to upset operations, security, and customer experience, Reveille can help. As Documentum applications are a key component of digital transformation projects, Documentum systems demand high service levels and performance. General-purpose system and application management tools do not provide the visibility, detail, and focus that Reveille economically delivers out of the box for Documentum systems that manage semi-structured and unstructured content. Let us walk through an example that starts with receiving the Microsoft Teams channel message from Reveille advising of an issue. Reveille provides a high-level overview of your entire content services platform and how it and your users are behaving. From here, we drill down to determine what is causing the issue by looking at various instance, errors, and metrics. We review resource consumption by observing historical performance and usage. By gaining visibility into performance, Reveille users can quickly identify the root cause of a problem and discover trends in volume and usage. Our initial concern is the average time it is taken to view a document. This is exceeding the maximum average transaction time we've defined. We can also see there's some unusual end-user activity. A user has viewed a large amount of content, far exceeding what would be expected during the daily activity. This usage pattern may indicate data leakage, so it needs to be investigated. Based on the security notification, Reveille has produced a report of all the users' activities for the last week and sent it to the security team for review. If required, Reveille can also automatically disable the user's access to the Documentum system. As we investigate performance compared to baseline service levels, a trend becomes visible. Based on analysis of the information provided by Reveille, we believe an increase in system usage has led to the performance issue. To resolve this, the Documentum application servers should have more memory allocated to handle the increased user growth. Reveille can automatically create an instance in the incident management system to request this, as shown here in ServiceNow. Until the application hardware is upgraded, a workaround is to restart the application server application pool. Reveille can automate this restart process by creating a job. This can be automatic or can require authorization via email. It can also be scheduled to run outside working hours. Getting this level of visibility and control is easy with Reveille. Configuration is a simple, intuitive process. After adding the system details, Reveille's Auto Discover tool can create a Documentum monitor with the required Reveille configuration. When the automated job is run, the issue is resolved, and this can be seen on the dashboard. Reveille monitors and tracks content service platform performance, user behavior, and operations. Based on organizational requirements, it can actively manage these systems and provide notification of relevant issues when they arise. It can then do what is required to keep the system running smoothly and securely. Reveille can be deployed in days either on-premises or in the cloud, using a proven plan, templated setup, and configuration, delivering ROI from day one. Organizations rely on their enterprise content management platform for business-critical applications. Hundreds of organizations utilize Reveille to optimize their system and investment. To learn how Reveille can be deployed in days for your Documentum environment, please get in touch with us today. Thank you for your time.